What's up everyone, this is Smiley teacher and I'm so glad to have you back. In today's lesson, we are going to figure out what is future continuous. So, let's get started. Let's meet Emma. Emma loves planning her week. Let's see what she'll be doing tomorrow at different times. This is her plan for tomorrow. 8 a.m. eating breakfast. 10 a.m. attending a meeting. 1 p.m. having lunch with her friends. 3 p.m. working on a project. At 8 a.m. tomorrow, Emma will be eating breakfast. We use future continuous to show that Emma will be in the middle of this action by this time tomorrow. So this action will be in progress at this time. How do we make it? We need subject plus will plus be plus ing form of the verb. I will be playing tennis this time next week. It means by this time next week I will be in the middle of playing tennis. Let's move on. At 10 a.m. tomorrow, Emma will be attending a meeting. At 3 p.m. tomorrow, she will be working on a project. Now try to figure out this answer. I'll give you 5 seconds. Having. At 1 p.m. tomorrow, Emma will be having lunch with her friends. Let's dive into the structure. For positive sentences, we need subject she, he, we, I, you, they, plus will, plus be, ing form of the verb, and rest of the sentence. Negative sentences, we need subject plus won't plus be and ing form of the verb again. Question form, we need will plus subject, be and ing form of the verb. Why future continuous? To talk about actions, plans in progress at a point in the future. Example, this time next week, I will be traveling around France. It means by this time next week, I will be in the middle of this action. Number 2, habits or repeated actions at a point in the future. In 100 years' time. Keep in mind, we need to use this type of phrases in 100 years' time. We'll all be having holidays on other planets. Polite questions about someone's plan. Will you be joining us for a dinner tomorrow? More examples. I will be lying on the beach this time tomorrow. They will be selling smart fridges in 3 years' time. Common mistakes. Many students use base form of the verb instead of ing form. She will be studying, incorrect. She will be studying, correct. Let's practice. Please pause this video right now and try to fill in the gaps only with future continuous. In the next slide, I'm going to show you the answer key. Try to do this exercise on your own and then check the answer key. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you had any questions, try to drop your questions in the comment section and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.